Good evening everyone. Good evening. Everyone, good evening. Let's see audio video okay or not. Everyone see audio video okay or not. Can we go ahead now? Can we go ahead? I hope audio video is okay. Can we go ahead? Yes? Can we go ahead? Okay, let me start the class. I hope everyone fine. Yeah, I'm starting now. I'm sharing the screen. Please check one time. I'm sharing the screen. Right? Fine. Go ahead. Go ahead now. Everything is ready. Go ahead now. I'm starting. Yeah, perfect. So this is. So I'm thinking everything is fine. Let me know. Small doubt also there. Let me know. Can we go ahead? Please help me. Can we go ahead? Yes? Yeah, thanks everyone. Thank everyone. So I'm starting now. So C programming formula series, right? So this will give clear cut what exactly you have to study, right? I'm starting now. Today's class is just started now. So I'm writing now. Today's date is I think 6/8/26, right? C programming formula series. Today's class is just started now. Thanks everyone for joining, right? If any audio video any issue, please let me know, right? So first topic is scope of a variable. Right? So normally we will discuss scope of a variable means static scoping and dynamic scoping. We will discuss two things: static scoping, dynamic scoping. And prerequisite to this formula series, first complete the C programming. This is the prerequisite. You may ask that, sir, from where I will complete the C programming? If anyone don't know where is the C programming and all, so just I am showing also. Just go to YouTube, right? Otherwise go to exam prep tool. In the exam prep tool, if you go to the GATE CSE course, there you will find out free courses. There you will find out C programming and discrete mathematics. Free, right? You can access it, right? These two are free. C programming and discrete mathematics is free. You can happily access it. So these are C programming. See this one, lectures. C programming and discrete mathematics free. You can happily do this. First complete the C programming. This is the C programming. First complete the C programming, then go to formula series. Next one, complete the discrete mathematics. Complete the discrete mathematics. Right? These are free. Complete the discrete mathematics. To this also I will do the right formula series. Right? Let's go now. Let's go now. Right? Let's go now. So again I am repeating the prerequisite to this particular one. Complete C programming. Then come here. Right? Then come here now. So static scope of a variable is two types: static scoping, dynamic scoping. Right? Now see this one. What main points I written, because it is a formula series. I cannot write everything. It is a formula series. Right? So first one, what is that? Global variable. Remember, global variable memory will be created compile time itself. If any variable is global variable, when you compile time itself, memory allocation is done. If memory allocation is done compile time itself, this is called a static memory. Means automatically in the static area memory will be allocated. If compile time memory allocated, if compile time is memory allocated, memory automatically allocated in static area, which is also called code section. Right? In the code section it will be allocated. Global variable memory will allocate compile time, that is also in the static area, means code section. Next one, local variable memory will allocate runtime memory will allocate, that too in the stack area, stack memory allocated. But remember, it's a running time memory allocated for the local variable. First point okay, second point okay. Next one, remember, if you write the C programming like this one, int a memory will be allocated. It is called declaration, memory will be allocated. Declaring a variable, memory will be allocated. Right? Why are you declaring declaration time? Why are you saying that data type? Declaration time, why are you saying data type? You are indirectly saying variable a required. Variable a you want to store integer required how much memory, that much memory I want. Indirectly you are saying suppose integer is 2 bytes, so integer variable 2 bytes of memory required. Right? So declaration time, declaring a variable means you are allocating memory. Next one, so remember, one rule is there in the programming language. In every programming language one rule is there. What is the rule? Never use a variable without declaration. So you cannot say print a, you cannot say print a, printf a you cannot say without declaring first declare. After declaration, if you say print a, maybe garbage will be printed if you don't assign the value. If you assign, whatever you assign it will print, but the rule is without declaration don't use any variable. Next one, if you use any variable, see, if any variable is used, actually you cannot use. If any variable is used without local declaration, without declaration you are using, then that variable is called free variable. Remember this. Without declaration you cannot use it. If you use, that variable is called free variable. That problem is called scope problem. That problem is called a scope problem. That variable is called free variable. That problem is called scope problem. Next question, right? How to solve this scope problem? To solve scope problem, that is called scope of a variable. There are two types: static scoping, dynamic scoping. So in the static scoping, right? See, to solve the scope problem, we have static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping, which is also called lexical scoping, which is also called as early binding. Static scoping, lexical scoping, same, and early binding. Right? Next one. So to solve a scope problem, one is static scoping, another one is the dynamic scoping, which is also called as late binding. Right? Static scoping is called as early binding, dynamic scoping is called as late binding. Next one, most of the programming languages including C programming uses static scoping. Right? Uses static scoping. So whenever scope problem will come, first of all, without declaring a variable you cannot use. Suppose if you do so, that is right, if you do so, that variable is called free variable, that problem is called a scope problem. To solve scope problem, there are two solutions: static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping is called as lexical scoping, which is also called as early binding. Dynamic scoping is called late binding. Remember, most of the programming languages follows, including C programming, static scoping, including C programming, static scoping, or lexical scoping. Now let's come. What is the meaning of static scoping or early binding? What is the meaning? If no local, see this one. This is called. These are brackets. These are brackets. See this one. You are using some variable here, so there should be a local declaration. You are using here. There should be a local declaration. If not there, go to next scope. Like this. Right? Maybe in this bracket is not there. Maybe in this bracket it may be there. In this bracket may be there. You are using variable here. Right? It should be here. First of all, it should be there. But I'm saying what is the meaning of static scoping. If not there, right? You can see this scope. You cannot go to some other function. Within the function, this is the function name. Some function. It is some function. Within the function, you are using here printf A. First check A there, here or not. If A not there here, at least here A there or not check. First you have to check here A there or not there. If not there, check here A there or not there. Suppose here also not there, means within the function not there. What is this? Right? Remember, if at all here itself there, no problem at all. If at all here itself there, no problem. It is not a free variable. Suppose here not there, at least here it is also not there. Means within this function it is not there. Remember everyone. Within this function not there. This is called a scope problem. You see, here also local. Remember, here also local. Here also local. Within the function it is there. It is called local. If local variable is there, printing local, no issue at all. It is not a problem at all. Suppose within the function not there. You are using someone within this function is not there. This is called scope problem. Static scoping means static scoping within the function. If it is not there, just go to global variable. Just go to global variable. See this one, early binding. Early binding is static. Static scoping facilitate early binding. Okay. Next one, the binding between a variable and its declaration is determined during compile time. Whenever this kind of scope problem will come, right, the static scoping is saying that I will resolve this one compile time itself. That means compile time is global variable created. Compile time global variable. Remember, if no local, either here or here not there, if no local, just go to global. That is the meaning of static scoping. The binding between a variable and its declaration is determined during compile time. Right? This is the thing. It's very simple here. If no local, means either here or here. If no local, then go to global. So advantage is because of compile time itself. Compile is the starting point. Starting itself, you are solving this issue. Scope problem, you are solving compile time itself. Scope problem, you are solving compile time itself. If you do that, the advantages are any work if you do starting itself, advantage, faster variable access, faster. Because starting itself you are doing, easy to understand debug, better compile time, error detection. You see, most of the programming languages, compile time itself, error detection is done. Better compile time, error detection. If you do the error detection compile time itself, it is better. Predictable programming behavior. Compiler optimizations are easier. Starting itself, these many advantages are there. Disadvantages of static scoping. Disadvantage, less flexible. Only one possibility. What is that? No local, go to global. Less flexible. If no local, just go to the global. Means less flexible. Only one chance you are giving. Cannot automatically access variable from calling previous function. Program behavior is fixed at compile time itself, you are fixing. Compile time, it is something like this. Someone started, right? Someone completed the BTech at around 21 years. 22 year itself, you married. 22 itself, you married. Means early binding. If you do early binding, see, less flexible. Less flexible. 22. Some people will marry 22 itself. Some people while doing BTech itself they will marry. It is a too early binding. Too early binding will leads to so many complications. Too many, right? Too early. Binding is will go to so many complications, so less flexible. Cannot automatically access variable from the calling. Program behavior is fixed at compile time. Because starting itself you done the binding, I think right, program behavior is fixed at starting. So if you marry early, maybe I think sometimes growth may not be there because everything is fixed at compile time itself, right? So then these are the advantages, disadvantages. Remember, I am not teaching here C programming. It's a formula series. If you already studied, whatever I am saying you are getting. If you are not studied, so you may be not getting, right? Disadvantages of static scoping. Disadvantages, what is this one? We are talking about early binding, faster, I think. Let me show you. So these are the drawbacks. Disadvantages of static scoping: less flexible. Okay, fine. Let's go to late binding. Late binding means dynamic scoping. Yeah, dynamic scoping facilitate late binding. What is the meaning of dynamic scoping? See the dynamic scoping. So many people you called. See this one. In this function you have a free variable. Then what happened is, in the case of static scoping, free variable, right? You don't know, no variable, but you are using. So this is called free variable. Static scoping directly access the global variable. Here global. Directly access this. But in the case of dynamic scoping, if not there, go to previous. Here also not there, go to previous. Here also not there, go to previous. Here also not there, go to here. Lastly, we will go to global. In the case of dynamic scoping, right, you will see the previous like that. Here itself available, no problem at all. It is not a free variable. Suppose here a problem, free variable, solution, dynamic scoping, come here. Here also not there, here. Here also not there, here. Lastly, global variable. But in the case of static scoping, directly here. That is the only difference. Now see this one, print A. Suppose here A is equal to 10. Suppose here A is equal to 10. Here A is 20. Here A is 30. Here A is 40. In the case of static scoping, print A. Static scoping, print A. 40 will be printed. Static scoping. In the dynamic scoping, print A. So you will go to previous. I think a dynamic scoping, it will print 10 like this. Why this is called free variable? Why? No declaration inside. Free variable. Now let's come to late binding. Dynamic scoping facilitate late binding. Okay. The binding between a variable and its declaration is determined at runtime. See, it is a runtime stack. At runtime it is determined. Advantages of dynamic scoping, if you observe, more flexible because there are more options. Functions can access variable from calling functions. So the function where you are, right, you can access from there previous things. Useful in some scripting languages and dynamic execution environments. Most of the languages don't use it because of lot of burden. See, so many push, so many pops are there. But in some scripting languages and dynamic execution environment, it will be useful, right? Disadvantages you see. Because of so many push, so many pop, right? When you do any work, little bit late, right? So the problems are slower because variable lookup happens at runtime. Runtime you have to push so many functions you have to push, pop, and so on. Difficult to understand debug. So many push, so many pop you have to do. It's difficult. Program behavior depends on, right, function call. Program output answer is coming like how you are calling. So that is the reason. Harder for compiler to optimize. Can lead to unexpected results. Unexpected. You don't know which function value it will take. Unexpected results. But in the case of the static scoping, expected, either local or global. But here there are many possibilities. You don't know which is going to be worked out. So that is scope of a variable. So I request everyone, scope of a variable. Please do some practice on this. Right? Just do at least 5 problems. At least 5. As I mentioned to you, right, in the C programming complete course, just go to exam prep 2. GATE CSE you go in the free courses, you will find out. right? Complete C programming and discrete mathematics, right? So if you see the C programming, right, these are the things. C programming, these are all C, scope of a variable. 2 lectures are there, please go through it, right? Fine, I hope everyone got it. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. If you don't have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Scope of a variable, I am perfect. Can you comment in the comment section? If you are not getting, I request you, please revise. If you are not getting, please, I request you, please revise the C programming one time. First complete, then revise, then see this. These are the advantages and disadvantages. Every point I written. Those people who are everything is okay. If you felt everything is fine, can you comment in the comment section? Scope of a variable, I am perfect. Scope of a variable, I am perfect. Please comment in the comment section. Don't keep quiet. Don't keep quiet. Comment in the comment section. Comment in the comment section. Yes. Make it fast. Pro, make it fast. If you don't have any doubt till now, comment in the comment section. Okay, next, if you comfortable, let's come to the next one. Short circuiting C programming. This is the next story. Short circuiting C programming, right? This is the next one. Some problems you can expect. On this short circuiting C programming. You can expect in the previous paper I seen some problems you can expect here. Right, so let's try. I think some color I'm using. Yeah, I can use it. See, what is short circuit? See this one. Short circuit in C programming. Major points I written. What is short circuit? Short circuit means the second operand is not evaluated if the final result can be determined from the first operand. Short circuit means the second operand is not evaluated if the final result can be determined from the first operand. Assume that there is one expression, there are 2 operands. Result is already confirmed by seeing first operand. Then when you go to second operand, that is called short circuit, which is also called shortcut. So advantages of it is something like this. Can you help me? It is something like this one. 10 end operator 20. Remember, non-zero means true. True and true. That is fine. Can you help me now? 0 and 20. So see this one. So 0 means false. False end operation, anything false only. If the first operand itself is deciding the answer, when you go to second operand, this is called short circuit. And one more thing. Can you see this one? 10 R operator, 0 is 10. Next one, 0 R operator, 20, right? 20, so 20. That means, remember, true or anything, true. Non-zero means true. Next one, false or true. True is there, one true is there, true only. But remember everyone, true or operator, anything, true only. So no need to do this. So true or operator, anything, true only. Next one, false and operator, anything, false only. That is the meaning of short circuit. If something can be done with first operand itself, why are you going to second operand? Based on this, some problems are there in the previous paper. Please be careful. Right, now see what is the advantage. Improves program execution speed. Avoids unnecessary evolution of expressions. Helps prevent runtime errors like division by 0, right? Accessing null pointer. So when you, by seeing first one itself, you know problem will come when you go further. By seeing first operand itself, you got to know problem will come. Then when you go to second, it helps to prevent runtime errors like division by 0, accessing a null pointer. So I give an example also, you will get it. Short circuit with the end operator, end operator. See, the evolution is left to right. Okay. If the first operand is false and anything is false, so no need to evaluate second operand. Shortcut. False by seeing the first operand, false. End operator. False end. Stop it. Short circuit with R operator. Evolution start from left. Normally everything is left only. Every time evolution left only. Next one. If the first operand is true, R operator. True or anything. Second operand not required. Right? Next one. Shortcut. By seeing true or. Stop it. Answer is anyhow true. So important points here, if you see, short circuit works only logical operators only, not other places. Means logical operator means end operator or operator. Short circuit varied only for logical operator, end and or operator. In C, 0 represent false and in non-zero represent true. Remember, if anyone don't know, please remember this. My request to everyone, don't expect total C programming here. Don't expect. Necessary points only. Necessary point. Total C programming I kept in 10 pages. 15 pages, see. 15 pages. Total C programming I kept in 15 pages. Right? Approximately 150 pages are there. 150 pages. By 10 I done. 10 times I compressed it. Total C programming contain 150 pages. I compress it to only 15 pages. Don't expect major points. These are major points. Right. Okay, friends, short circuit is fine. Now see this one. End operator. See, end operator false if you see first to stop it. R operator true if you see first to stop it. Now see, advantage, short circuit advantage is, see, by seeing first operand itself I got to know, problem can come. Why I will go further? By seeing first operand itself I got to know problem. Why I will go further? Same thing here, see this. Same thing here, see this one. A 10, B 0. Right? Now see what happened. If B not equal to 0, unfortunately B 0. 0 not equal to 0, fail. 0 not equal to 0, right? 0 not equal to 0, no. 0 not equal to 0, no. 0 equal to 0, fail. So remember, fail anything, fail. So you know, you don't go here. If you go to here, division by 0 will come. There is a error. So 0 and anything, so anything is false. If 0 fail, so you don't execute further. So it is avoiding division by 0 error. See, starting first operand itself is deciding the story. Why I will go further? Unfortunately, if I go here, there is error message. Unfortunately, if I go here, there is a error message. Please be careful. Division by 0 error message will come. Right? Now go to here. One more thing. Right? Assume that int star PTR is equal to null. What is the meaning? As of now, PTR is null. As of now, PTR is null. Can you see this one? Null not equal to null. No, null is equal to null. Fail. 0 and anything. 0 and anything is 0. Unfortunately, if you go here, PTR is null, star null, segmentation error will come. Unfortunately, if you come to second one, segmentation error will come. You cannot go inside null. Null means hell. How can you go inside hell? If anyone is going inside null, means you are going inside hell. You are going inside hell, you are going. Null means nothing, yeah. Inside nothing, how can you go? Inside nothing, how can you go? You only say. So this will goes to segmentation error. But interesting thing is, now no segmentation error because of short circuit, starting itself you got to know. Because of null, right? Because of the short circuit, starting itself you got to know. Fail and fail. No need to go further. So short circuit avoiding so many problems. It is a precaution. So I feel right, short circuit also done. Do you have any doubt? Do you feel some point I left out? Let me know. If you think everything is perfect, please comment in the comment section. Don't sit idle. Comment in the comment section. Is short circuit, is everything okay? Make it fast. Short circuit, is everything okay? If you think it's okay, yeah, please write. Sir, yes, I got it. Yes, sir, I got it. Then we will move to next story. Short circuit also done. All major points I written. All major points I written. Short circuit all major point. If you think some point I missed out, please comment in the comment section. Please comment in the comment section. Or if you think at any point of time, right, some point is not clear, you can ask in the comment section also. You can WhatsApp also. WhatsApp me here. WhatsApp me here. Sir, I have some doubt. This point I am not okay. You can WhatsApp me also. You can comment in the comment section also. Okay, fine. Perfect. Perfect. Now go to next. Now go to next. Speech statement. Speech statement. You see, speech statement, all major points I written. I cannot teach total C programming here. If I teach again 150 pages, it will become 150 pages. It will become 150 pages. So major points I written. Major points I written. Please see the speech statement. Everyone observe, see the major, right? See the speech statement. Compulsory some questions will come here. By seeing the previous paper, I can say many questions came from here. Please take care. It may come, please take care. Now see the speech statement. So see everyone now. Speech, careful. Speech X. Speech X. Go inside. Right? It's going to be case 1, case 2, and so on. Like that are there. So remember, X, whichever is matching, whichever will match X, that will be taken. So remember speech. Multi-way selection. What is the meaning? Selecting one case out of many cases. See, out of many cases, you are selecting one of the case which will match X. Speech is a multi-way selection. That you may misunderstood. Selecting one case out of many cases. Okay, that's the first point. Next one. Suppose in the place of X, A plus B there. In the place of X, A plus B there. Now see, sir, if at all expression, remember this expression, this is called expression. This expression, be careful. This expression, whatever you are writing here, it should be either character you can write. The expression, whatever you are writing, it can be character, it can be integer, it can be enum. Any one of these. Character, integer, and enum. Any one of these. Final result should be any one of these. Expression should be either char or int or num. Enum. Right? Enum. So indirectly, directly some number here. Indirectly, directly some number, because here numbers are there. Indirectly, directly, this X should be indirectly, directly number. Some people are asking, how character is a number? Every character having ASCII value. Every integer is a number. Enum also, right? So for I think, right, it is something like list. Suppose enum list. Suppose if you give A, B, C, that means, remember, that means, right? So first one 0, next one 1, next one 2, like that. Automatically mapping is done. Enum. Please work on this. If anyone don't know enum, just Google it out, you will get the enum. Just mapping. It will enumeration. For everything, something will be given. Some number will be given. Suppose if you want to start A from A from 10. So write A followed by 10. It will start from 10. It will become 10. It will 11. It will become 12. Please check one time, right? Because normally we don't use it, right? Maybe I forgotten syntax. Please check one time. So remember, indirectly, directly, here should be integer. Character you can give because of ASCII value. Integer can give because of its number. Enum also, numbers are there. Enum also number. Enumeration, right? Like this. Expression should be either char or int or enum. Next one. Case labels are unique constant value. Here constant should be there. Unique constant value. Unique, you cannot repeat. So here one written, here also one you cannot write. Next one, after every case, break required. After every case, break required. after every case break required. Next one, last case break optional. So right, if at a last case break optional, if you want you can keep, otherwise also no problem. Why? After last case no other statement. Some people are asking, if I don't write break after case 1, I didn't return break, what will happen? It will execute automatically further also. If no break, it will enter here. Because of lack of break, it will go further. Right? It will here also break not there, it will go further. So here no break, break is there, break is not there, doesn't matter, because anyhow you will come outside. So after every case break recommended. After last case break may be there, may not be there, it's up to you. If at all no break is there, you will go further, which is called fall through. If no break is there, it will go further. That is called fall through. Next one, default. So out of these cases, one of the case you can write default. So default execute only if no case matches. Default, right? Default case, if at all, if you write, suppose default you written, right? Default will execute if no case. Suppose this is failed, this is also failed. Default will execute. Next one, default can be placed anywhere. You can write it is also default, right? Default case 1, case 2. So then what happened? By seeing default, you don't execute. It will come like this: case 1, no matching; case 2, no matching; no one match. Then default will execute. Next one, default in the middle. Suppose default in the middle, compulsory break required. If break is not there, it will fall through further. All very important points. Very important points. These all are very important. Expression is evaluated only once on each switch call. So suppose here if you write some expression like a plus b, it will be executed only once. As soon as you came, you will execute. Followed by it will go further like this. One time only you will evaluate. Expression is evaluated only once on each switch call. If you come inside switch, one time only this expression will be evaluated if required. Right? If not required, directly. If required, one time you will evaluate. Afterwards, you will go to every case. Next one, nested switch allowed. Inside switch, you can keep switch also again. Right? Inside switch, you can keep one more switch. Inside switch, you can keep one more switch. Right? Nested switch is also allowed. Multiple case labels can share the same statement. Suppose in the case you written a plus b here. Here also you can write, it is up to you. Whatever data you want, you can write. In every case what you execute, it's up to you. Multiple case labels can share the same statement, of course. Right? Fine. Remember case labels. These are case labels. Labels are unique. Case labels are unique constant value. Right? Multiple case labels can share. Right? Remember multiple case labels can share same statement. So multiple case labels. This label, this can share same statement. These are statements. Perfect. Every point is important. Remember, every point is important. These are almost I can say. Total C programming I kept. Total switch case. I can cover this one with 20 problems I can cover. The points whatever I written with the 20 problems I can cover. In the course also there. Please check. In the course I written the right switch progress. On the switch so many statements I written. So many programs also I given. Please verify one time. If you okay with the switch case, please comment in the comment section. If you okay with the switch case, please comment in the comment section. Switch case perfect. Switch statement is perfect. Please comment in the comment section. Every point I written. Every point. If you think some point missed out, comment in the comment section. I will update the document. If I feel that is really reasonable, whatever you said is true, right? I will modify the document also, and this document will be there in the EPT website. Just go to EPT website, you will find out. Sir, how sir? Go there. Go to EPT website. GATE CSE things here. See. GATE CSE things you see here. So here you write formula series or short notes. right? All short notes will come. See, short notes of computer organization and architecture, short notes of digital, short notes of DBMS, short notes of C programming, short notes of data structure, all will be keep on updated. It will be there. Simply go here short, or you can say formula series notes also will be updated here. Formula series notes also will be updated here. Important formulas, tables, just type formula, you will get it. Okay, fine. So after class over, I will update. Now switch statement is okay, perfect. Then go to static variable. It's a very important. Static variable, very important. Without this, question paper may not be there. Without this, question paper may not be there. Without this, question paper may not be there. So static variable plus recursion combinedly may be given. Static variable and recursion combinedly may be given. Static, right? Static keyword you will use, inside recursion you will use, or static inside maybe array you will use. Static recursion, static array, and one more, static inside you will use one pointer also. Compulsory this question will be there. Static plus recursion, only static one model, static plus recursion one model, static plus array one model, static plus pointer one model. Any model can come. I'm sure, I'm damn sure question will come from here. I'm sure, damn sure I am saying question will come from here. So don't miss it. All the important points I written in the class whatever I covered in the classes, if you go and check, I think approximately 5 or 6 problems I covered. So guaranteed, surely will come. Surely will come. Right? Static variable, we can go ahead. We can go to static variable. Before going to static variable, one small thing is there. Let me check that. One small thing. Yeah. So it will take 1 minute. So just listen one time. It will take 1 minute. People are asking, why should I join exam prep tool? Right? All classes are English only. Live and recording both are available. Daily quizzes also there. You go to the website, right? You will find out daily quizzes also. Next one, doubt solving also there. Next one, PYQs also available. Right? Assignments also available. Mentorship also there. Every Saturday, Sunday, mentorship is there. We will give targets also. Every Saturday, Sunday, mentorship is there. We will give targets also. So these are the top 100 people last year we got in toppers list. Right? Top 100, these are the people. Top 500, many people are there. Top 1000, many people. Top 2000, many people. I want to see you also in the toppers list. Right now, if you are a class topper, if you are there in the class top 5, if you are studying, you are there in the class top 5 through EPT Rise 1000 initiative for 1000 people. EPT courses will be free of cost. The only thing is platform fees, because there is some server and all, something is involved. 2000 rupees only you have to pay. You will get the full course, you will get. EPT Rise 1000 initiative. My only goal is, I suffered a lot. When I am a student, I suffered a lot. I don't have money. We are very poor people. My mama, papa is, my family is very poor. We suffered a lot. I don't want, it's my dream. I want to provide education as minimum cost as possible. If you are, right, if you are a talented student, right, if you have a financial problem, if you are in top 5, so just you can use this particular program. So to this mail ID, you can send info@exampreptool.com. Exampreptool.com. Send the mail. Remember, from your college, either principal or HOD or college management should send the mail. So and so person is there in the class top 5, right, through EPT Rise 1000 initiative. Can you provide the subscription to him? We will provide. I'm really saying quality education deserve every student. Every student deserve quality education. Because of financial things, you cannot stop the quality education. I want to give, because I suffered like that when I am a student. When I am a student, I suffered. So I thought of 1000 people. Last year we given 200 people. Now this year we are giving 1000 people. Maybe hope next year I may give for 10,000 people. Right? Next one, only 1 day left out. There is an offer is going on. 70% offer is going on. Please utilize. Very less prices. I know the value of education. Very less prices we kept, very less prices. You can go and check quality education with very less prices. Don't waste money. If you don't have money, you no need to feel bad also. Study properly. Very less prices are there. 70% discount going on. Please utilize. Only one day left out. Only one day. So if you see the upcoming batches, tomorrow onwards, new regular batch is starting. Right? Next one, Monday onwards, right? Monday onwards, RIC batch is starting. RIC batch is starting. Monday onwards. RIC course is starting from Monday onwards. Starting subject is aptitude. Right? Regular batch is starting from tomorrow onwards. Right? So next one, now if you see the live classes, data structure morning is going on. For GATE CSE people, GATE DA people. Operating system is going on. RIC course 11 AM to 1 PM. Operating system RIC batch is going on. ECE batch is completed. I think yesterday only. Next one, DSA Super 600 practice questions of DSA. So that you will crack the campus placement or MAN companies or FAN companies. So DSA Super 600 going on, operating system RIC course is going on, data structure actual course is going on. Monday aptitude will start for new RIC batch, and one more thing is regular batch from tomorrow onwards. Mock test, next this month 15 mock test is there. Engineering mathematics, it is a free, you can utilize. And most important thing is series 1 C programming, Python and discrete mathematics. These three are free. For GATE DA people, Python is free. For GATE CSE people, C programming and discrete mathematics is free. Please, you can utilize. And one more thing, if in the website, if you go website, premium courses are there. All you will get in the premium courses. There are also less price only, but you will get many advantages. Live classes are there, recorded will be there, full course, RIC course for every subject 300 good questions with video solutions. Test series 100 tests are there. Mock test also, mentorship also every week, Saturday Sunday mentorship also there. Free resources are also there, you utilize. Right, validity is half year. Right, premium course 1 year is there, 2 year also there. Same affordable, very less prices, you can utilize. The only thing is you will miss little bit. Here. Few things you may not get, but most of the things you will get. Next one, GATE free resources. Some subjects are free, you can utilize. Test series also there, mentorship, whatever you want, you can join. So I request everyone, please explore one time. I request everyone, go to exam prep tool, please explore. Right, in the affordable, what the cost, in the premium, what the cost. I know the value of education, I know the value of quality education. Very less prices we kept. No student should suffer because of money. No student lose quality education because of money. So we kept very less cost. So let's go here. Affordable, everyone can affordable. So if you see assignments are there for every subject, 300 good questions assignment, and toppers notes also freely available. PYQs also freely available in the website. You can use doubt solving also freely there. Utilize. Every Saturday Sunday mentorship also there. Yeah, these are the placement using GPT placement course. These are the people who got, some people got Google, some people Meta, and so on. These are the placement courses. DSA course, DSA plus system design, DSA practice course, interview course, programming course, right? Full stack web and app, right? Complete course, right? These two things are free on the YouTube also available. Utilize. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Let's come to the point. Let's come to our actual story. Come here. External variable. Everyone listen. External variable. We are starting external variable. Please listen this. You may get some doubts in the external variable. It is not that much important for GATE. It is not that much important, but it is better to learn. What is external? Remember, if you declare like external, into A, because of this declaration, remember, memory will not create. If external is there, memory will not create. Extern, right? If you declare a variable using extern, remember it's only declaration, no memory allocated. Normally declaration means memory will allocate, but with extern if you declare, memory will not create. It refers, see this one, it refers to an existing global variable. The meaning of this one is, don't create memory for this local variable. It is a local variable. Don't create, but I want to take the memory of global variable memory I want to take. Right? So refers to an existing global variable used for sharing variables between, right? So refers to the existing global variable. Second point, used for sharing variables between files. Third point, lifetime is equal to entire, because it is a global variable, because it is a global variable. Lifetime is entire program. Lifetime is entire program, right? In any function, if you say external variable, any function if you say external variable, means you want to take the global variable. Suppose 5 functions are there, in every function you written external int a. That means all people want to use global variable. Global variable lifetime is entire program. Right? See these 3 points one time. Extern int a, it is a declaration, no memory created. Refers to an existing global variable. Third, used for sharing variables between files. What is the third point? Second point I will say to you. Refers to, I think it is the second point. It is a third point. It is a fourth point. I could have kept dot. Okay, fine. Lifetime is entire program because it is something related to global variable. Now see this one. Int a, memory allocated. Okay, fine. Extern int a, no memory created. It only tells the compiler that memory already exists somewhere else. Don't create memory already existing somewhere else. Somewhere else means global. So difference between int a, extern int a, memory created int a, extern int a. Don't create memory because memory there. Memory, I want to take the global variable memory. I want to take global variable memory. Don't create memory. Memory which is there for global, I want to take it. Because of global variable, so lifetime is entire program. Refers to an existing global variable. Right? Fine. Now people are asking, sir, I wrote so many C programs, sir, but nowhere I used extern. Where to use extern? Can you see this? When a global variable is defined in another file. Right? I'm saying clearly. So I will show the program also. Can you see the program? See, in one C program, there is a int a is equal to 100, one global variable. In one C program, in file 1.c, int a is equal to 100, one global variable is available. In the file 2.c, see this one, no global variable. In the file 1.c, global variable a is there. In the file 2.c, there is no global variable. So see this one, extern int a. What is the meaning? Here there is no global variable. Extern int a means it is taking the memory from here. Now please see here, print a. So print a, which a? You only say which a? No local. So global. But global also not there. He is saying don't create memory. But this extern is saying outside the file it is there. Please go and bring. From here you will take. That is the purpose of extern. Now I am writing, see this one. When should we use extern? When global variable is defined in another source file. When you want to share one global variable among multiple C files. Suppose one more thing I will do, file 2.c. There also I want to use this global variable. One more file 4.c. There also I want to use this global variable. When you want to share one global variable among multiple C files, then you have to go for extern. To avoid creating duplicate global variables, see, this variable can be used in multiple C programs. Then when you create again and again, using extern, you can refer it. So don't create memory, I want to take the global variable, which is there in other file. One more function, there also I written extern int a. Don't create memory which is there, right, in some other file, I want to use. So when you want to share one global variable among multiple C files, then you have to use the extern. Right? Fine. No question is there in the exam, but it is better to know. Why extern? When a global variable is defined in another file, another source file. Next one, when you want to share one global variable among so many C programs, to avoid creating duplicate global variables, this will be used. Some example also given. So if you see the output, print A, there is no local, go to global. Global also no memory, then go here, external. External means outside the file, go there. So there is a, I think what is the A? 100 will be printed. Reason, external int A refers to the variable defined in file1.c, right? I think that is the external. Now come here, it's a very important one. Please careful everyone. We are talking until now external variable, right? Now come here. Right? Now we are talking about local. When you declare a local variable int A, auto int A, register int A. Suppose in the program you written int A is equal to 10 or auto int A is equal to 10 or register int A is equal to 10 in the place of this. In this place, the first place is first place, whether you write this, whether you write this, whether you write this, all three will be same. All three will be same. Int A is equal to 10, what is the output? Assume output 20. Assume. Suppose auto int A if I write in the first place, auto int A is equal to 10, then also 20 will print. Next one, register int A is equal to 10 if I write, then also 20 will print. All three people will give same output. Different ways of asking. If local variable is int A or auto int A or register int A, all three will give same output. All three are local because of local you are writing. Next one, int A is treated as auto int A by itself, means auto int A both are same. Next one, register int A is also a local variable, but it requests the compiler keep the variable in a C register, CPU register, if possible for faster access. When you keep register int A, you are indirectly saying for the variable A, keep in the CPU register so that program become faster. Other than that, no change. All will be same. Int A, auto int A, register int A, all will be same, but different meanings. Right? But int A, auto int A exactly same, but register int A, keep A in the CPU register so that program become faster. Other than this, nothing. The compiler, see, sometimes what happened is when you request the compiler, keep the A in the CPU register so that program become faster. Sometimes compiler may ignore that request. If available, it will give. If not available, it will ignore. Right? And the problem with this one is, see, because of A is a register, you cannot say ampersand A. That is the difference. Output point of view, no difference. But meaning wise, if you see, at this place, because of is a register, you cannot say ampersand A. When you say ampersand A, address of that memory location, it is not a memory, it is a register. It is a register. So you cannot use like this. 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 Right? Int A, I can use ampersand A. Int A, I can use ampersand A here. Auto int A, you can use ampersand A, no problem. So these three people all will give same output. These three people, all will give same output. No difference at all. Same output will come. But here you cannot use ampersand A because A is there in the register. Right? That is the difference. Right. So remember, local variable int A, auto int A, register int A, all will give same output. But little different. But register you cannot use ampersand A. For other people you can use. So this is about these three people. So something about right, external, but mostly no question will be there in the exam. If you you check all these points one time. Static variable, many questions will come. Static variable, many questions will come. Right? So this point also take care. What is that one? Local variables. Local variables, these three people are same. Right? Now come to the major story. Come to the major story. This is very, very important. You don't see question paper without this. You don't see question paper without this. Without this, you don't see the question paper. Without this, you don't see the question paper. Right? Please careful. What is that one? Pointers. What is the meaning of pointer? Pointer is a variable which can store address of another variable. What is pointer? The person who can store someone's address. Next one, to store an address, you have to declare as a pointer. You cannot store directly. You have to say in the declaration, E is a pointer variable. Declaration time say, what is pointer? Someone who will store address of someone else. That is called as pointer. Next one, because of E is a right, pointer means storing address. Now you cannot store directly. Declare first. E is a pointer variable. Declare first. How to declare? Like this. If I say int p, normal variable, p contain data. Int star p contain address. You have to declare like this. Next one. Declaration time you said is a pointer variable, right? So remember, declaration time you said is a pointer variable. What is the meaning of pointer variable? Inside p you can store address. Some people are asking, sir, how to get address? Use ampersand operator. Ampersand operator will give address. See, ampersand address operator, another name is called reference operator. Next one, use it to obtain the address of a variable. The purpose of this ampersand is getting the address. So I given some example also. See, I given one example. P contain address of A, right? Like this. Into A is equal to 10 into star P. P expecting address of A. So now say A 10 address 1000. Next one, P is also variable. Is also having its own address, but P contain address of A means 1000. So because of you given address, it will point there. That is the reason it's called pointer. Why I am a pointer? I have address, I will point there. Why I am a pointer? I have address. So I can point there. So that is the reason it is a pointer. Next one. So how to get the address? Ampersand operator. Some people are asking, sir, now P means 1000 will come. P means variable means inside only, right? P means 1000 will come. But what is the use, sir? P means 1000. What is use? Now say star P. The value inside 1000, 10 will come. So remember, from the pointer variable to get the data, you have to use star. That is called star is called dereference operator. Star dereference used to access the data stored at that address. You stored already address. At that address, what is the data there? Using star, you should get it. But remember everyone, I am not teaching here C programming. It is very difficult to teach C programming in 1 hour. 1 hour total C programming I cannot teach. 50 hours C programming in 1 hour, how can I teach? If you know already C programming, if you already done revision, then this will be really useful to you. This will be really useful to you, right? If you already done. Just major points I written, I am reading. Right? So star is called dereference operator. Ampersand called reference operator. What is the purpose of star? Getting data. Star P returns the value stored at the address pointed by P. If the P is 1000, star P, the value at 1000. Next one, pointer levels. Can you come to the pointer level? See, while declaring, if you said 1 star, while declaring, you said you kept 1 star, single pointer. But if you want to get data from the P contain address, na? Because you said 1 star, single pointer, right? If you want to get the data, you have to say star P. Suppose if it's a double pointer, you declare like this one into star P. Means is a double pointer. Means address of a pointer. That is called double pointer. To get the data, double star required. When you say that it is a double pointer, means address of address. Then to get the data, 2 stars required. If it is a triple pointer, address of address. What is the meaning? Can you see this one? P contain 1000. If I go to 1000, there is a 2000. If I go to 2000, there is a 3000. If I go to 3000, there is a data 10. Now see P triple pointer. What is the P 1000? What is star 1000? The value inside 1000, 2000. What is star 2000? The value inside 2000, 3000. What is star 3000? The value inside 3000, 10. Right? Remember, if it is a triple pointer, to get the data, triple star required. Double pointer, double star. Triple pointer, triple star. Next one, accessing data. See, remember access data. Number of star in declaration. In the declaration, how many stars you kept? 3 star. Yeah, right? While retrieval also. Number of stars while accessing. Declaration time, how many stars you kept. While retrieving data also, those many stars required. If you keep less stars, you will get the address. See, after 1 star, you will get address only. After 2 star, you will get address only. Because in the declaration time you kept 3 star. Until 3 star you don't get data. If you keep less star, you will get address. If you keep more star, is a triple pointer. If you keep one more pointer, already data star, error will come. Be careful. Double pointer to get data, double star required. Triple pointer, array man, what is this? Just wait, WhatsApp I think maybe open. It is saying dig like that. It is saying dig like that. Yeah, now it's fine. I removed it. I think everything fine. I think everything is fine. So if it is a double pointer to get the data, double star required. If it is a triple pointer to get the data, triple stars required. Okay, fine. So that is something about basics of pointer. Basics of pointer. Are you comfortable? Basics of pointer. Can you check? Can you comment in the comment section? Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Can you check one time? Make it fast. Are you comfortable? Until now, are you comfortable? Comment in the comment section. I request everyone, please comment. If you are comfortable until now, please comment. No sir, I am not comfortable. This point not okay. Then write. This point not okay. Please write, we will explain. Please write, we will explain. If you are okay, please write okay. Please write okay. If it is okay, please write okay. Right. Make it fast. Hello. If it is okay, please write. Pointer arithmetic. What is pointer arithmetic? Means in the pointer, what are the arithmetic operations you can do? So for a pointer variable, you can add one integer. Suppose if I say p plus n, that means the meaning of this one is wherever p pointing, wherever p means pointer will point, right? Someone is there here pointing. When I say p plus n, that means from here n people will be skipped. Assume it is n people skipped, so it will goes to here. So p plus n means moves forward by n elements. Right, next one, pointer minus integer. What is the meaning? P minus n means moves backward, same thing forward, backward n. Next one, pointer increment. This is a very, very important. Pointer increment. If I do the pointer plus 1, one element will skip. One element will skip, right? One element means how much, sir? If at all p is a integer pointer, p pointing to integer, right? When I say p plus 1, one integer will skip. It will go to next integer. When I say p plus 1, one integer will skip. It will go to next integer. So p plus 1, one integer means what? Assume 2 bytes. 2 bytes will skip. Right? Next one, character pointer. If I say plus 1, one character is 1 byte. 1 byte will skip. If it is integer, 2 bytes will skip. Float, assume float is 4 bytes. Assume system to system it will differ. Operating system to operating system it will differ. Right? Assume float is 4 bytes. If it is a float pointer, means what is the meaning of float pointer? P is a float pointer pointing to float. P is a float pointer. What is the meaning? P pointing to float. Float is assumed 4 bytes. When I say p plus 1, next float, 4 bytes will skip. Suppose a double pointer, assume double is 8 bytes. Double pointer, if I say plus 1, 8 byte will skip. So pointer increment is based on which type of pointer? Integer pointer, 2 bytes will increase. Char pointer, 1 byte will increase. Float pointer, 4 bytes will increase. Double pointer, 8 bytes will increase. Right, next one. So that is a one aspect in the pointer arithmetic. Can you see one more? 2 pointers you can subtract also. See this. 2 pointers you can subtract also. It is 1 pointer, it is 1 more pointer. 2 pointer you can subtract also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's totally 6 elements are there. 2 pointer you can subtract. What is the meaning? P2 minus P1 you can do. What is the meaning of P2 minus P1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before P2 from P1 how many elements are there? I think 0 to 5. It will give 5. So remember, 2 pointers you can subtract. Yes. But condition, both pointer must be point to the same array. P1 also pointing to this array, P2 also pointing to this array. Next one, not only same array, right? When you say same array, same type also, right? Fine. If you want to subtract 2 pointer, it is allowed, no problem. But both the pointers should point to same array. When you say same array, same type also will come automatically. Now what is the result? Number of elements between them. Not bytes, number of elements between them. How many elements are there between them? Here 1 element, 2 element, 3 element, 4th element, 5th element, 5 elements. Excluding last one. Before P2, from P1 how many? Right? It will give number of elements present between those 2 pointers. You can compare 2 pointers. Right? Suppose in the P1, P2 you can compare. You can say these 2 pointers are equal or not. These 2 pointers are not equal or not. First pointer is less than second pointer. You can compare. If any use there, you can compare. See, are valid for pointers pointing into the same array. Same array, 2 pointers are pointing. So these 2 things you can compare also. Are they same or not? Less than or not? Greater than? If it is less than, what is the meaning? After this is coming. If it is greater than, so I think you can compare like this. Both are not equal to means both are not pointing to same element. If both are equal, both pointing to same element. If less than means second person is there afterwards. Second person will be there further elements, something like that. Right? Otherwise no meaning. Suppose one pointer is here, another pointer somewhere else. What comparison you will do? What is the purpose? There is no meaning. That is the reason. So you can compare the pointers also. Next one. The operations which are not allowed, strictly not allowed, is 2 pointers you cannot add because no use. 2 pointers you cannot multiply because no use. 2 pointers you cannot divide, no use. Right? Pointer modulo pointer. You cannot do. There is no meaning in that. It will give error message. Next one. Pointer size. What is the size of any pointer? Remember, pointer means address. Size of address. Assume in the computer address size is 8 bytes. Assume in the computer address is 8 bytes. Assume. So 64-bit system. Address is 8 bytes. 32-bit system. Address is 4 bytes. He will say in the exam. Address is how many bytes? He will say. So size of pointer. Pointer is a address. Pointer means address only. Right? So remember, pointer stores an address. Okay, fine. Pointer size is equal to, right? This is. Remember, it does not belongs to data type. It belongs to system supporting what kind of address? 8 byte. Suppose this system supports 8 bytes. Size of every pointer 8 bytes. Size of integer pointer, size of char pointer, size of float pointer, everyone size is same. It doesn't matter which pointer. Pointer means address. Size of address same. But when you say incrementing pointer, which type of pointer? Incrementing pointer means which type of pointer? Integer pointer 2 bytes will increment. Float pointer 4 bytes will increment. Char pointer 1 byte will increment. But when you say size, it doesn't matter which type of pointer. Pointer means address. Size of address 8 bytes. Right? Be careful. You may not get this unless you revise the notes. You don't get it. Suppose you are not getting, no need to feel bad. Sir, I am not getting, sir. No need to feel bad. Revise and check. Operations not allowed. These operations are not allowed. Next one. What is the pointer size? Size of pointer is 8 bytes. If at all it is 64-bit system. Size of address is 4 bytes. If it is 32-bit system, they will say in the exam. Right? Now come to arrays. Right? Arrays. I think, right? Make sure everyone listen. Arrays. arrays, right? So array name means base, array name is given means base. It is also very important. This is also very important, very important. Definitely one question you may get. And the most important thing is pointers are very important. I didn't return, so I want to say to everyone, pointers are very important. I can't say how many stars I will keep. Many stars also you can keep. Many stars also you can keep. So you may not, if anyone is not getting, no need to feel bad. It is not your mistake, it is not my mistake. Please revise first. Please revise first. It's not my mistake, it is not your mistake. Please revise first. Now come to arrays. Right? Array name given means base address given. And one more, string given means first character address given, which is also base address. Next one, storing string in array means, in array you are storing string, means one by one character you are storing, ending with null character. In a array you are storing string, that means you are storing one by one character, including the null character. Array base address, remember array base address, if at all array name means base address, you cannot do a is equal to a plus 1, you cannot do. Array base address cannot be changed. If you do that, error message you will get. What is the error message? L value, right? L value is this. L value cannot be changed. What is the L value? Base address. L value cannot be changed. Array contents you can change. If it is an array, contents you can change. These things you can change. But this address you cannot change. Address you cannot change. Next one, string constant content. So remember, there are some strings. So if you write like this, char star a is equal to some string. Let me write exam practical. Remember, a is pointing to some string like this. A is a pointer pointing to somewhere. So assume this address is 1000. So this is called string constant. 1000, every character is 1 byte, assume. So this is called string constant. String constant contents you cannot change. These content you cannot change because the string constant is stored in the ROM area. ROM means read only memory. You can only read, you cannot write. Sometimes ROM memory is not available. It may store in the RAM area. Sometimes it can modify also. Sometimes it don't modify also. Anything can happen. String constant content modification, if you do, result undefined. It don't give error, result is undefined. It may change, may not change. Next one, 1D array means, when you say 1D array, collection of elements. When you say 2D array, collection of 1Ds. Every row is one 1D. 2D array, collection of 1D arrays. 3D array, see, it is a 2D array. It is also 2D array. This entire thing is called 3D array. 3D array is a collection of 2D arrays. In the 1D array, if I say plus 1, because of 1D array is a collection of element, if I say plus 1, one element will skip. 2D array means collection of 1D arrays plus 1 1D will skip. 3D array means collection of 2D arrays plus 1 2D will skip. Right? Remember, each star reduces one dimension. In the 2D array, if I say 1 star, one level decreased. It will become 1D array. Suppose A is a 2D array. If I say star A, one, right? I think 1 star is decreased. 2D array becomes 1D array, right? If I say 1 star. If I say one more star, it is element now. So each star reduces one dimension. Last star will give data. Suppose assume it is 2D array. From this to get the data, 2 stars required. First star will make 1D array. Second star will make normal, means data. Each star reduces one dimension. Last star will give data. So remember, your passing array means passing base address. You are passing from one function to another function. Array means base address you are passing. Next one, 1D level pointer difference. Suppose two 1D level is subtracting, because 1D means collection of element, it will give number of elements. 2D array, 2D level, 2D level arrays you are subtracting. 2D means collection of 1Ds, so it will give number of rows. 1D means row. Two 3D level pointers you are subtracting. Two 3D arrays you are subtracting. Remember, 3D means collection of 2Ds, so it will give number of 2Ds. First of all, what is 3D? Collection of 2Ds. So two 3D you are assume the array A1 of 3D, array A2 of 3D. So two 3D arrays if you are subtracting, right, two things, but level is, right, 3D, level is 3D, you are subtracting, it will give number of 2Ds. Two 2Ds if you are subtracting, it will give number of rows. One, right, two 1Ds you are subtracting, it will give number of elements. It is a standard, see, it is a operator list. This is a very, very important, please take care. This is the operator list. Please verify properly. C programming operator list. These 15 rows, please verify. It is there in the website also. I will keep in the website also, please verify. I will keep in the website also, please verify. Please verify. Just only for your convenience, I kept this table. Priorities from standard book I said, see. From standard C operator, precedence and associated tables based on the C language described in the classic Kernighan and Ritchie book, right? Dennis Ritchie, right? The person who written the book is Dennis Ritchie. From that person only given priorities. You check all of them one time. Many times I explained when our course is going on. Many times I explained. So remember, I simply read. I'm not done anything. I simply read it. Right, I didn't teach. So, right, this is the formula series. I didn't teach anything. Simply I read. Right, next, can you see the structures? If you okay with the pointers, if you okay with the previous one, arrays, please comment in the comment section. Sir, it's perfect, sir. Sir, it is a perfect, sir. Anything is not okay. Comment in the comment section. Anything not okay, right? Just WhatsApp also. It's our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp also. Anything not okay, comment in the comment section. You can WhatsApp also, we are going to help you. Notes also provided. In the website. Just go to website, GATE CSE, because of C programming, GATE CSE, right? There in the GATE CSE, if you click, there you will see the, right? Search bar is there, please check formula, you type, automatically you will get it. Now structures, important points. Someone is saying string constant modification. String constant, name itself saying string constant, right? Inside content you cannot modify, right? Some people are asking, sir, how to write string constant? Like this. See this one, char star A is equal to something, exam prep2. This is called string constant. Char star A is equal to exam prep2. Right? So that means A is a pointer pointing to this string. Right? That string is there in the memory somewhere. Exam prep2. So it is 1000, it is 1001, it is 1002, 1006. This is, right? Say every character, some memory location is there. This is called as string constant. This story called as string constant. So inside string content you cannot change, because this is stored in the ROM area, read only memory. This is stored in the read only memory. You cannot change it. If you change, no error. If you change these people, no error, right? No error. but it may change, may not change, because sometimes ROM area is full, it will store in the RAM area, random access memory. What does that mean? You can change also. This is saying don't change, this is saying change. Some people are asking, sir, why are you storing in the RAM area? ROM is full, so I will store in the RAM area. At that time you can modify, so result is undefined. Result is undefined. Right? In the course clearly I explained. I taken 1 hour, I explained in the class. I took 1 hour, I explained in the class. Now come to structures. So it's going to be very easy. Can you see the structures one time? And it's a formula series. It is a formula series. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will take the short notes. I will take the short notes. It may contain 30 pages. Short notes, it may take 30 pages. It's only formulas, major points. Short notes I will explain with the help of one example. With the help of one example, short notes I will explain. To this one, it is an extension. It's here only points. Short notes contain, right? Some examples also I will give. There maybe you will get. Right? Now see the structures and union. Structures and union, they are user defined data type. User can create their own data type depending upon demand. Next one, structures. Separate memory for each member. Whenever you say structure, inside so many members are there. Every person separate memory created continuously. Structure, separate memory for each member. Union, common memory. So even though 3 people are there for the union, if I say union, right? One person only memory created, whichever bigger. Assume it is a 4, it is 4 bytes. Assume it is 8 bytes. Assume it is 2 bytes. Only 8 bytes of memory will allocate. In these 8 bytes, all 3 people will store. Union, common memory for all members. Structure, all members is one. Structure, because of everyone having separate memory. So structure advantage is all members active together at a time. You can access anyone. Union, only one member active. Suppose if this person is active, this person cannot be, because one memory only there. Next one, structure size is right, member size plus padding. Structure size, assume that it is a 4 byte, it is a 8 byte, it is a 2. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Let me check. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, fine. Just 1 minute. Yes. Coming. Yeah, I think everything is fine. Yeah, few more slides are there. Let's see this. So structure size, everything, audio video is okay. Can you see this? One? Structure size based on members, I think 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Totally 14 bytes. Some padding also there. Structure size is equal to member size plus padding. Structure size is approximately multiple of largest size. Suppose is that largest one is 8, right? 3 people are there. 8 3 is 24 bytes. Structure size is approximately multiples of largest member size for simpler calculation, for easy understanding, right? Easy access. Whenever all are same size, calculations become so easy, accessing becomes so easy, right? Next, union size is bigger one. Whichever is a bigger, that is a union size. Padding advantage is better alignment, faster access. Next one, inside structure, because of so many people are there, if you want to access any person, you have to use dot. Suppose, right, it is a structure, you are accessing with the help of pointer. Pointer means 1 star required. Structure means inside dot required. Assume it is A, dot A. So, right, so star p dot a. If you access the structure with the help of pointer, if you access directly, dot enough. If you access with the help of pointer, pointer means star required, right? Because of structure, dot required. Star and dot combined. Shortcut is arrow. This is shortcut is PROD. Right? Next one. This is the actual shortcut is this. Union, new, right? Union, new value overwrites previous. Because of common memory, overwriting will be there. One person will use overwrite, another person will use. So total, so remember this is 2 classes I taken. Every class of 2 hours. 2 classes I took for structures purpose. I cannot say total into again 2 hours. Just I completed 2 to 3 minutes. Structures and union, major points I written, major points. All important points I written. And one more, star P means you will go inside so many people. A, B, C, D. You have to say either A or B or C or D. If you don't say anything, by default first person will access. After going inside, you have to say A, B, C, D, dot A, dot B, dot C, dot C. If you don't say anything, by default first person will come. Suppose structure if you access it directly, not by pointer, right? Assume that this person name is S. If you use it directly, simply say S dot A. No star required. S dot A is 10 will be printed. S dot A is 10 will be printed. Suppose if you say simply S only, by default first person will be printed. Right? That is structures. Some people are asking, what is the difference between structure and union? This is the difference. Structure, separate memory for every member. Union, common memory. Next one, structure. All members can store values simultaneously, but here one person only can store at a time. Size is equal to total size plus padding, but here size is equal to larger one. Here more memory required, here less memory required. Here no data overwritten, here data will be overwritten. Right? Please take care about these points. Now come to typecasting. Right? Typecasting means converting from one type to another type. If compiler will do itself, implicit. If programmer will do explicit. Bigger one, if you store in the smaller, you may lose data. When you say typecasting, you are converting from one to another. If you convert a bigger one to smaller, you may lose data. Smaller one, if you store in the bigger one, you don't lose. Pointer increment is based on size. Pointer plus 1, it is based on, right, which type of pointer, it is already done. Dereference, if you say pointer, star, right, it will read the data. How much data? Depending upon type. Incrementation also depending upon type. Dereference means accessing also depending upon type. If it is integer pointer, 2 bytes will increase. If it is integer pointer, 2 bytes will access. Integer pointer plus 1, 2 bytes will increment. Integer pointer star, 2 bytes will access. Same way, character pointer plus 1 byte will increment. Character pointer star, 1 byte will access. Right, like that. Void pointer same, you can store anyone. Inside void pointer, anything is okay. Typecasting not required. See void pointer something. Void pointer, it is a generic pointer. Anyone can store any address inside. Stores address of any type. No typecasting required. Inside void pointer, suppose void star p. Inside p, you can store anyone. Integer pointer, this one, integer variable. A address you can store. Or float variable. You can store float address also. Inside void pointer, anyone you can store. But in the normal pointer, you cannot store. You have to do typecasting. But inside void pointer, you can store anyone. Right? But right, to read the data, whenever it is a void pointer, star p, error message will come. Why? It is a void pointer. It don't have any type. It don't know how to access. Read star. Right? Read star, error message will come. Then what you do? You have to first don't do directly star p. Do typecasting first. Then do star operation. There is no issue. So read star, type, now typecasting required. Storing time not required. Retrieval time required. So increment plus typecast required because you don't know how to increment. Because you don't have type. Integer pointer incrementing, I know. Integer pointer accessing, I know. Void pointer, I don't know. Incrementing, I don't know. Accessing, because you don't have type. Dereference, dereference if you do without typecasting, compile time error. If you do incrementation without typecasting, compile time error, because you don't know how to increment, you don't know how to access. Right? Fine. Go to the parameter passing technique. I think parameter passing technique not in the syllabus. Mostly they will ask you call by value, call by reference. In the call by value, copy will go. Call by reference, addresses will go. Because of copy is going, right? Copies will change, originals will not change. Originals are safe. Call by reference, addresses are going. With respect to address, you will modify, originals may affect. Next one, if you pass in these two, right? If you pass parameter as an expression, first expression will be evaluated, then pass. This is known as strict evaluation, not lazy evaluation. We done so many problems also in the classroom. Remember, I done everything in the class. If anyone is not done, please revise. Please revise. Go to complex C declarations. It is the last class of the C programming. Go to complex C declaration. Right? So rule is read, right? Rule to read complex C declaration. This is the rule. Start from C. Read the declaration using spiral rule, clockwise rule. What is the meaning? Start from the variable first. Start from variable, afterwards move right side, then move to left, continue clockwise. What it means? Let's check. Suppose if someone is declared like this, what is the meaning? Start from variable. Start from operand. Then move right side. So A is a array. Start from variable. A is a array which contains 10 slot where everyone is an integer. So array of 10 integer. A is a array which contains 10 slot where everyone integer. Next one. Int star PA bracket C. Start from the variable name. So PA is a pointer. PA is a pointer. Pointing to an array which contain 10 slot where everyone is an integer. Everyone is an int. Remember, I cannot say directly now. It is there in the classroom. Please check. Next one. Fun is a function which don't take anything, which will return pointer. Fun is a function which don't take anything, which will return pointer. That pointer pointing to a function which don't take anything, which will return integer pointer. See, function returning a pointer which will point to another function which will return integer pointer. Next one. Function. Fun is a function which don't take anything, which will return into two array, which will return integer, right? Which will return integer array. Remember, no function return array. So this is the error. Function which don't take anything, which will return integer array. Remember, function don't return array. Function cannot return array. Now, f is a function which don't take anything, which will return double pointer. Function can return pointer. Right? See, so function cannot return array directly. Indirectly it can. Function can return pointer to an array. Yes, pointer it can return. Function cannot return another function directly. But function can return pointer to a function. See, remember, function can return a pointer. Function cannot return array. Function cannot return function. Remember this point. Function cannot return array. Function cannot return function. Indirectly they can. Means pointer can return, that pointer pointing to function. But this one we discussed. So many problems in the class. This one we discussed so many problems. Last class is this only. Remember, after this, if you think something is not clear, More clarity, more clarity. You can see in the short notes. You can see in the short notes. More clarity. Here only points, important points I written. Important points I written. Just reading only. I almost done reading. Major points all I kept. Major points all I kept. I just read. Because it is a formula series. I cannot explain. In the case of short notes, I will take 5 hours. Actual course 50 hours. Available already. In the YouTube also available. In the EPT website also available. Freely use it. Actual course 50 hours. After that course, right? So you see the right short notes, which is going to be 5 hours. Tomorrow I will do. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will do. Right? After this formula series, 1 hour or 2 hour, maybe 2 hours. This is the idea. So from now onwards, you can see only formula series. If you think some points are missing, right, you can comment in the comment section. I will update and I will keep in the website. Right? Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. If you have little doubt also, right, you can WhatsApp us. You can little doubt also, right, you can WhatsApp us. Thanks everyone, and good night. Thanks everyone and good night. Chalo. So you may not get some points because I didn't explain. Simply I read 150 pages. I kept only in 50 pages. Now in the short notes, 150 pages I will try to keep in 30 pages. 150 pages I will keep in 30 pages. You may get short notes a little more clearly. Right? Fine. Thanks everyone. If you like it, please comment in the comment section. Please share it to your friends. If you like it, please comment in the comment section. Please share it to your friends also. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.